Speedy garlic bread. Oh, crunchy.
Oh my God, look at that!
It's crunchy, it's cheesy, it's buttery, it's garlicky, it's parsley. There are two types of garlic bread to be made. There's that from scratch, absolutely delicious bread with all the garlic loveliness. That one is coming later on the year. This is a quick fix, get you out of jail. You've just found out that loads of people are coming over and you need to make some garlic bread side order. Now, this guy is gonna take 25 minutes. 5 minutes prep, 20 minutes in the oven. 3, 2, 1, let's go. When it comes to garlic bread in a rush, there's two types of bread to use. French stick, but it's not a classic French stick. It's basically like an English take on it. It's fatter, and I want that because it's gonna have more butter on it. And then we've got ciabatta, which is perfect. Either one will work a treat. That's the bread. The other ingredients are parsley, some butter that's been softened, we've got some garlic and tin foil. Let's get the bread started. Okay, get your bread. I'm gonna do two different types so you can see the two different types, but just choose one on the day. Get yourself a bread knife, that's a serrated knife, and then you want to cut about 1.5 finger thickness through. Do not cut all the way through, leave it attached. Let's do it. That's the bread done. Now it's all about the garlic. We're gonna puree it. Get your blade, put it on top of your garlic and give it a good tap. That will break the skin. Take the skin off. We're gonna work roughly on 3 big fat cloves per garlic bread. If you like your garlic bread super garlicky, then just up the garlic. Now I'm gonna slice them down. Just cut through one way, then cut through the other. Then get some good coarse sea salt, and that's going to work as a coercive, abrasive material to start breaking it down. Gives it some flavour, a little drizzle of olive oil, and then we're going to emulsify by cutting through and dragging. Now, some more salt, and then we're going to batter the living daylights out of it, mixing. I've combined that. Now, in the restaurant, I put it into my Kenwood and whip the living daylights out of it, and it will double in volume, but I haven't got time for that. So that's been mixed. Now let's chop some parsley. I've gone through the parsley like that, and I'm going to turn my knife and go through that. And yeah, that is a killer scar. Now, I'm using my 500-pound Japanese steel rude boy. What's good about this is a bigger knife makes light work of cutting through parsley. A small knife is a lot harder. So get a big knife if you want to fly through your parsley. Now look at that, it's a thing of wonder. Parsley, butter and garlic. It tastes so good. Now we're going to put it on some bread and Bob's your uncle.
Garlic bread? Garlic bread? Garlic? And bread?
Right, let's do it. Tin foil. Bread. This is the messy bit. Get it into all those cavities that we've sliced into the bread. Optional extra is Parmesan. I use the big grater so I get nice long strips. It's more flavour and better presentation. Now wrap it up nice and tight in the tin foil. Let's get it in the oven. Now it's got to go in the oven at 200 for about 15 minutes, and then we open it up and brown it off for the last 5.
You know, it doesn't really matter, food busker.
5 minutes to go. Okay, let's go check on it. Yeah, all right, whatever. It's not a problem. It's ready. Oh, come on. Look at that little beauty. I mean, who doesn't love garlic bread? Look how moist that is. It's crunchy, it's cheesy, it's buttery, it's garlicky, it's parsley. I mean, come on. Right, going in. Oh, listen to that. Oh, mate. Mate, death by carbohydrate, happiness, flipping heck. It's all those things. It's crunchy, it's buttery, it's garlicky. It's got the parsley in there. Oh, mate, that is just the perfect side order. Right, so half of that you would get at a restaurant. What do we say half a portion is? Can you clear off? I've got to price it. Come on, over there. Come on, boys. Right, come on all the way over there. Honestly, they don't get it, do they? These busketeers. Right, okay, so half a portion. That is half a portion. Come on, that's half a portion. What do we think that's worth? What do you think? 450. But then Jack's loaded. I mean, like, I've only got £3. It's bloody bread and garlic and butter, right? £3. Let's see what the busketeers think. Just look at that. Can you see it? Oh my God, look at that. Right, okay, garlic bread. Get involved, guys. Just tear and share and do the job, because garlic bread is all about the sharing. Right, let's get in here. Let's have these lads eat garlic bread on its own. Now, you were saying earlier that you don't really eat garlic bread.
No, I don't like it.
No, it's not your thing.
It's quite nice, actually.
It's not bad. Obviously. What's it like?
Really good.
Tasty, yeah?
Cheese on there as well.
Good, good. I like it, sir.
Perfect.
Digging it? Right, so for a portion that I showed you, what would you pay for a full portion?
Probably £6 max.
£6 max. Okay, sir, I'll take that.
£2.50.
£2.50. Tight get. No, I don't mean that at all. Sorry. Sorry, I did not mean to offend or insult.
I'd say roughly £6.50.
£6.50? Like, I think your price is probably more realistic, let's face it. It's garlic bread. All right, boys, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Oh, so good. 2-1, but this speedy garlic bread is so delicious, and it only took 20 minutes to make.
Did you start shooting when the sun was out?
Where the hell did you come from?